Okay. My almost 6-year journey as a virtual assistant. Almost 6 years na pala since I started working as a virtual assistant. And kapag naisip ko kung paano ako nagsimula, ang dami na rin talaga nagbago. For those who don't know, my niche is more on marketing, campaign and project coordination, and operations. I work behind the scenes, organizing projects, coordinating with teams and clients, managing timelines and deliverables, making sure campaigns move forward, and basically making sure na walang importanteng task ang nililigaw along the way. Pero hindi naman ako nagsimula na alam ko na agad lahat ha. Yung especially yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon. I had to study. I had to learn different tools, processes, platforms, and systems. And hanggang ngayon, I'm still learning. That's one thing about being a VA that I think people don't talk about enough. You never stop learning. Yun, kailangan mag-aral talaga. Siyempre, may bago kang client, may bago kang process, may bagong tools. Aralin mo ulit lahat yon. May bagong responsibility, syempre kailangan mong mag-adjust. And yes, there were times na multiple clients talaga. Sabi nga nila, paldo, 'di ba? I'm not going to make it easy or make it sound easy. Mahirap talaga, mahirap siya. There were days na kailangan mong tandaan kung anong process ni client A. Tapos ano ba yung deadline ni client B? Tapos may urgent request pa si client C, 'di ba? Kailangan mo rin consider yung different time zones, different personalities, different expectations. And sometimes, habang inaayos mo lahat para sa clients mo, kailangan mo rin i-manage yung buhay mo outside work. That's when I realized na being a VA isn't simply about working from home. Siyempre, you need discipline, you need time management, you need to communicate well. You need to know your limits, and most importantly, you need to understand that you don't have to know everything from day one. Almost 6 years later, pero marami pa rin akong hindi alam. I still ask questions. I still make mistakes. I still encounter things for the first time. But the difference is, mas confident na akong sabihin every time, hindi ko alam to or hindi ko pa alam to, pero kaya ko tong aralin. Yung lagi yung sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. And if you're someone who's thinking that about becoming a VA, don't pressure yourself na kailangan expert ka kaagad. Find a niche that works for you. Build your skills, learn the tools, get experience, and don't compare your day 1 to someone else's year 6.